Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the best 3D printers for teenagers on the market. The output of a 3D printer can be anything from trinkets to functional tools, and they make for a fantastic hobby that teaches the basics of engineering and design. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you, we've rounded up some of the top-rated 3D printers today. This 3D printer can be used in any condition, whether you are a professional or just starting. We'll review each printer's features and discuss what makes them perfect for teenagers. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Anchormake M5 3D Printer. Hey there, innovative teenagers! Are you ready to embark on an epic 3D printing adventure? Hold tight because the mind-blowing Anchormake M5 3D printer will take your imagination to a new level. Brace yourselves for an extraordinary printing experience packed with cutting-edge features and unparalleled awesomeness. Let's kick things off with speed. The M5 is equipped with the mind-blowing PowerBoost 2.0, a turbocharged powerhouse that will have your prints whizzing out at double the speed and acceleration without compromising on that impeccable print quality you crave. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to instant gratification. But it's not just about speed, it's also about nailing those intricate details. With the M5's ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure, you'll achieve mind-boggling precision down to a jaw-dropping 0.1 millimeters. Your prints will be so precise they'll practically leap off the build plate and into reality. Are you worried about unexpected errors ruining your masterpiece? Fear not, young artist! The M5 boasts a genius error detection system that calculates a perfect printing plan and utilizes an integrated intelligent camera to keep a watchful eye on every step. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Anycubic Cobra Large 3D Printer. Hey there, future 3D printing maestros! Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of 3D printing with the extraordinary Anycubic Cobra Plus. This magnificent machine is the ultimate choice for teenagers eager to explore limitless creativity. Prepare to be blown away by its mind-boggling precision. The Anycubic Cobra Plus boasts a revolutionary auto-leveling system featuring an impressive 25-point precise leveling. With just a single touch, you'll effortlessly achieve printing perfection. No more tedious manual leveling, it's all about convenience and flawless results. But hold on! There's even more to love about this genius contraption. Equipped with a filament runout detection and power-off resume function, the Anycubic Cobra Plus is your loyal companion during those unexpected glitches. Fear not if you run out of filament or encounter a power failure. Now, let's talk about size, shall we? Brace yourself for the mind-blowing news. The Anycubic Cobra Plus offers an astonishing 2.5 times larger build volume than its predecessors. With an expansive printing size of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters, you'll have ample space to transform your imaginative concepts into reality, with room for your wildest ideas. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is Lotmax Shark V3 3D Printer. Hey there, future creators! If you're a teenager who loves bringing your wildest ideas to life, the Lotmax Shark V3 3D printer is the perfect tool. This incredible machine has features that will make your printing adventures even more exciting. One of the most incredible things about the Shark V3 is its intelligent G-sensor auto-leveling. Forget about manual adjustments, this printer can detect and compensate for uneven surfaces, ensuring precise prints every time. It's like having your leveling assistant. Not only does the Shark V3 excel at 3D printing, but it also doubles as a laser engraver. You can unleash your artistic side by engraving on materials like bamboo, ceramic tile, wood, leather, and craft papers. Get ready to add a personal touch to your creations. Assembling the Shark V3 is a breeze, requiring just a few screws. You'll be up and running, ready to print your wildest designs. And with its generous build volume of 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43, there's plenty of space to bring your imagination to life. If you want to purchase the sizable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Official Creality Ender Pro 3D Printers. Attention, teenage innovators! Enable your creativity with the Official Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer, the ultimate choice for budding 3D printing enthusiasts. Let's dive into the incredible features that make this printer an absolute must-have. Prepare to be amazed by the Sprite Direct Dual Gear Extruder. This superhero of an extruder boasts not one, but two chrome steel gears, ensuring a seamless and slip-free filament feeding experience. Even flexible materials like TPU are no match for its prowess. Not only does it handle the trickiest prints with ease, but it's also lighter, allowing for precise positioning that will make your prints pop. But wait, there's more! The Ender 3S1 Pro has the ingenious CR Touch Auto Leveling Bed. Bid farewell to the hassles of manual bed leveling. This intelligent system takes charge, effortlessly compensating for any height errors, resulting in prints of unparalleled quality. Say hello to picture-perfect prints every single time. Accidents are part of the journey, but fear not. This printer has your back with its filament breakage detection and power-off resume printing function. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Elegoo Saturn 8K MSLA 3D Printer. Hey there, young makers! Looking for the ultimate 3D printer to unleash your creativity? Well, feast on the Elegoo Saturn 8K MSLA 3D Printer, our top pick for tech-savvy teenagers like you. Let's dive into what makes this printer so awesome. First off, imagine printing models with mind-boggling detail using its 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen. With a resolution that's off the charts, you can expect ultra-sharp prints with super fine points. But wait, there's more! The large build volume of the Saturn 8K gives you tons of space to bring your wildest ideas to life. Whether crafting a great masterpiece or printing multiple parts simultaneously, this printer has your back. Now, let's talk about accuracy. This printer delivers pinpoint precision thanks to its matrix UV light source and unique lens design. The light is projected vertically onto the LCD screen, resulting in exceptional printing accuracy and tighter tolerances for your creations. As for stability, the Saturn 8K boasts a rock-solid structure. Its Z-axis is driven by non-slip linear rails, ensuring smooth and accurate motion every time. Plus, the sandblasted build plate offers excellent adhesion. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for teenagers. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.